Hello, welcome to my channel, CAD and Engineering by JS. Today we're going to review polygons and rectangles. The shortcut for polygons is POL. The polygons in Autocad are regular polygons, meaning all the angles are equal and all the sides have the same length. The polygons in Autocad are one single entities, and AutoCAD uses polylines to create polygons. When you are creating polygons, you will specify either the length of an edge, or you're going to specify the radius of the circle in which the polygon could be inscribed or circumscribed. The rectangle is another command in AutoCAD that uses polylines to be created, and it's also a single entity, one object. When you draw a rectangle, you only need two corners diagonally located, and you can specify those corners by clicking on the graphic window or entering the coordinates. Here in this table, I'm showing you the different options. You can use corners. The first one, you have an option to specify different width for a rectangle. In this case, I'm showing an example with width 4. You can specify fillets. I'm showing a rectangle with fillet radius 2. You can also specify chamfers. In this case, the chamfer that is shown uses the same distance D1 and D2 1.5. You can also specify the area and one of the two, the length or the width of the rectangle. You can specify also the rotation of your rectangle, and finally you can specify the dimensions, length and width. Now we're going to do this example in AutoCAD. I'm going to do the part of this example with red lines, and the other part of the drawing will be completed by you. I started a new drawing with the template in millimeters, and I turned off ortho. So we're going to start by drawing the first polygon, which has 5 sides, and the length of each side is 25. So we're going to click on the polygon command in the draw panel. Going to enter the number of sides, 5, and then we're going to select the option edge. I'm going to click on it, click somewhere in the graphic window, and then we're going to specify the length, which is 25. We have our first polygon drawn. Now the second polygon, we have a dimension of 60 for the circle, and that polygon is inscribed in that circle. So we're going to use a radius of 30 and the inscribe option, and the number of sides it's 6. So I'm going to click on the polygon tool again, or just press enter, and then change the number of sides to 6. Press enter. Then to specify the center of the polygon, we're going to use Alt Not Override. I'm going to press the Control key, right mouse click, and use Geometric Center. We'll hover over our pentagon. It displays the geometric center. We click, and then we're going to use Inscribed, that option. And now the radius is going to be, depending on how you rotate or move your mouse, you get the right shape. This is the way we're going to have our hexagon, and the radius is 30. So we're going to type in 30 and press enter. And finally, we have a rectangle, 30 by 40. We're going to click and expand, select rectangle, and then the first point is going to be this end point of this side of the hexagon, and then we're going to move up, and we can just type in the first distance, which is 30, and then press the tab key and enter the second distance, which is 40. We can add some dimensions to verify our drawing. So we're going to click on the dimension, specify the length of the edge, which is 25. We're also going to draw, just so that we practice, we're going to change the layer to hidden, and then we're going to draw a circle using 3 points. 1, 2, and 3 points. And then we're going to apply a dimension, the radius, to verify that it is actually 30. And finally, we're going to add the dimensions for our rectangle, 40, and the other one 30. Now you will need to finish the other 2 polygons. One of them is circumscribed around circle with diameter 26, and the other one has the same length as the one with radius 30. Please don't forget to subscribe and provide comments. Thank you.